If you're a sneaker reseller looking to make more money, then pay close attention, because inside this video, you're going to be given a foolproof system that allows you to bring in anywhere between 20 to 100% profits on every single sneaker you resell. It's a system that's helping a community of over 200 resellers steamroll the competition and make more money than they could ever dream of. And now you too can use the system and become profitable without spending hours a day looking for sneakers, which end up collecting dust because they simply won't sell. Even better, this system brings forth dozens of new profitable sneakers daily, analyzed and evaluated down to the potential of every single shoe. Now the result? Higher profits, less effort, and easy data-driven decision-making. Intrigued? Keep watching to see exactly what the system is and how you too can leverage it to make more money. Now, before we spill the beans, we want to share some important information with you. The sneaker reselling industry is estimated to be over $1 billion, yet there are only a few resellers who can turn it into a legit six-figure side hustle. Want to know why? Most of the sneaker resellers rely on hyped sneaker drops, which they rarely cop, or they buy sneakers that simply won't sell because there is almost no demand for them, or they simply don't have the time to spend hours online looking for profitable sneakers to resell. And the worst is when they don't have a community to consult or educate them about the right way of doing things. This is where we step in with our system. Here at BrickRadar, we are disrupting the way resellers buy their next profitable sneakers by making the entire process based on data and market trends. It's a winning system that leverages artificial intelligence and a strong community to help resellers make educated purchase decisions. And all of this starts when you sign up for a free 7-day trial. Now, once you start your free trial, you'll have access to educational videos, an active community, and a daily updated list of profitable sneakers. You'll be able to get started the moment you join by following 3 simple steps. First, you will take a look at our daily updated list of profitable sneakers. Now, these sneakers are checked by our algorithm and are in stock at various online retailers waiting for you to buy them. Step 2, follow the link to place an order from the sneaker store page. You don't need an expensive bot or proxies to order the profitable sneakers. Instead, all you need is your phone or computer. Once the sneakers are delivered, step 3, you resell them on any famous reselling platform like StockX or GOAT. But there's a catch. We're only accepting a limited number of members, and the seats are about to fill up because we're offering a 7-day free trial and a 30-day money-back guarantee. So click the button below to get access to our winning system that helps you resell sneakers with a 20 to 100% profit margin every single day. Don't hesitate too long, because once the open seats fill up, we won't be accepting new members anymore. So if you're seeing this, make sure to click the button below and start your 7-day free trial.